CPA. This is one of the degree which many of the people have lot of questions, especially the commerce students have flooded my LinkedIn about this. So today's video, I'll be talking a lot about CPA course. My name is Shripal Jain. I'm a qualified chartered accountant, licensed CPA. I'm also the co-founder of Samandar Education. So what is a CPA course? What is the eligibility requirements for the course? Who is eligible to sit for the CPA exam? What are the application process, the steps, each and everything, the exam fees, the jobs. Now with AI coming and disrupting a lot of these things, will I get a job or not? So 2026, you will see a lot of the things happening in the CPA course. Because what 2026 requires you is to be AI ready CPA. Is also one more important thing is whether you're actually ensuring that you're preparing for the exams properly or not, because with the way AI is disrupting a lot of these things, it's important you know each and everything in detail about how this course can help you and get a job in Big Fours. Now let's start with one by one. What is a CPA course? Like we have in India, chartered accountants, US chartered accountants basically are known as CPAs, Certified Public Accountant. Who is eligible to sit for the CPA exam? Our Indian BCom typically is a 3-year graduation degree and US has a 4-year graduation path. That means US follows a 16-year education system, which is +1 +2 plus their 4 years of graduation, and India follows a 15-year of education. Now why are you talking like that, sir? Because in CPA, typically the first step itself is a very big problem, because the eligibility itself is an issue, as CPA exam requires you to have a minimum of 16 years of your education system, which is 120 credits is what you need to have in order to sit for the CPA exam. Now your every year of graduation is converted into certain number of units known as credits. So first year of graduation gives you 30, second year gives 30, third year gives 30. Overall BCom gives 90 credits, and in order to sit for the CPA exam you require 120, because in US the BCom is of 4 years. So how do we sit, sir, for the CPA exam? This is one of the reasons why Samandar have developed something called as a bridge course. That bridge course is a bridge between 90 and 120, the 30 credit program, which makes you to sit for the CPA exam. You just need to register for the bridge course. You don't even need to wait for the bridge course to complete. Just with sitting for the bridge course also, you can sit for the CPA exam straight away. So this bridge course, do you tell us like should we do another course along with CPA? No is the answer, because what I have done is I have just taken out the content of each and every book of CPA. Like you have 4 sections in CPA, which I will be talking about of our video. So I have taken out a couple of chapters and I put that in the bridge course, which is typically a postgraduate diploma of 1 year. You just need to study whatever you have studied in CPA. You will just need to kind of use those application and those concepts in your bridge course and pass the bridge course exam. So it's not just another exam where you need to study something different. You just need to kind of apply whatever you have studied in CPA. We have integrated that in our bridge course. So if you are just a BCom also, you don't need to worry, you are eligible for the CPA exam. Now many of the students ask whether this bridge course is approved or not. This is completely approved by NASBA, giving you 30 additional credits. In fact, Samandar is the only institute currently in India which has a NASBA approved 1-year diploma program which gives you a 30 credits in order to sit for the CPA exam. Now why did I discuss a lot about this is because there are a lot of coaching institutes which are talking about CPA, but they don't talk much about the eligibility. Because in CPA you require a passport mandatorily, you require a convocation certificate, which is your degree certificate. If you don't have one, you need to apply for a provisional degree certificate. And then you need to ensure your first name and last name matches with what is there in the passport also. That should be matched with your education documents. So these are some clerical things but can create a significant mental pressure if they are not taken care, because your eligibility will go for a toss and you can't sit for the CPA exam. Step 2, once your eligibility and your application is completed, you need to apply for the CPA exam. And now, before that, you need to understand what is CPA course consisting of. CPA exam consists of 4 sections, folks. So what are these 4 sections? So first 3 sections are mandatory and the last paper is a choice. Now first paper, if you see, so I am taking out certain books, but because my favorite is FAR, so I will go with financial accounting reporting, because this is our first paper of CPA. Normally this is the order I recommend, because people tend to read accounting in their elementary levels as well. So this could be your first subject to start off with. So FAR is mandatory. It deals with US GAAP, US accounting and all. So financial accounting reporting is your first paper. Then the second paper is your auditing, because we use Becker study material and we are exclusive training partner of Becker here in India. And Becker is like trusted by 1 million plus students. If you put in Wikipedia, if there are 100 CPAs, 95 CPAs will pass from Becker only. So we use the Becker study material and the Becker software. So the second paper which you will see is auditing and attestation, which deals with audit assertions, procedures, processes and all. Then the third is regulations, which is dealing with US tax, S Corp, C Corp, and then some of the Federal Compliance Act and all those stuff. Then the fourth paper, which is a very interesting thing, is the choice between three sections. So you have ISC, you have TCP and you have BAR. So what is ISC, sir? It deals with information systems. So basically, advanced FAR is ISC, which is information system and controls. If you want to learn advanced auditing is ISC, because audit is becoming more tech oriented. So information system and control is audit. Then second we have BAR, which is an extension of FAR. So if your passion is accounting, then you might do business analysis and reporting. And this deals with advanced consolidation, leases, revenue recognition and all. So people who don't love accounting, this is not the subject which you would want to go for. Then the third is TCP, tax compliance and reporting. If you want to make a career in US tax, then TCP should be your choice. So first three papers are mandatory, which is financial accounting reporting, audit and taxation. And then you have a choice between three of this discipline, BAR, ISC and TCP. You can select any one of the discipline. You don't need to write all the three. So there are only 4 papers in CPA, unlike an Indian accounting exam which consists of multiple sections and all those stuff. So there is only single level exam. It's not foundation, inter and final. It's just a single level exam with just 4 papers. First 3 papers are mandatory. Then you have a choice in these 3 papers. What does Samandar recommend, sir? We normally recommend TCP. First is it's a very small book, folks. Attention is shrinking like anything. People don't want to study hard and don't want to spend a lot of hours. So TCP just gets completed in 1 month. It doesn't even take a lot of time also, and the pass rate is also very high. Now I get a lot of these questions, sir. My career, I want to move into accounting. I want to move into ISC or audit and all. Then should I do a TCP? 100% yes, because the recruiter doesn't know which discipline you select. End of the day, you want to pass the exam. You don't want to show how passionate you are, because that we'll see later, guys. Okay, because end of the day, we want you to pass the exam, and TCP has the highest pass percentage compared to the other 3 disciplines, and this is one of the disciplines which we recommend and also takes less period of time. So if you see that the 4 papers of CPA, they consist of 50% of multiple choice questions and 50% of simulations. Now there has been some significant changes in tax, and that's why we recommend you that you enroll for CPA as soon as possible and try to ensure that you pass the exam quickly, because from July 1st, 2026, regulation book will get completely changed. You will have the Trump triple tax bill, which will consist of significant tax provisions, reforms and all. So you would want to complete your CPA exam or at least TCP and regulation before 2026 July. Okay, and that's what is a significant change, because tax is one of the sections which will get changed from July 2026. And then you have some significant updates in other sections, but they are not to that extent what tax has, but these are all applicable from July 2026 itself. So this material and all is valid till July 2026. But the major change what we are seeing is in tax. Other than that, 3 papers, there are some here and there changes, but they are very well manageable. Now, second important thing, the pattern is 50% multiple choice questions, 50% case law. The CPA exam can be written in India itself. There are almost 8 to 9 Prometric test centers, and I have spoken to NASBA. They are also opening Prometric test centers in Tier 2 cities also. Now, this is very, very important news, because you have your CPA exam in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Kerala and whatnot. And you can write this exam like it's an online exam. So you can write all over the year except for Saturdays and Sundays. The CPA exams is conducted every month. Discipline is conducted obviously the quarter month, but the other 3, the core sections, which is FAR, audit and regulation, is conducted every month throughout the year. It's a continuous testing window. Except for Saturday and Sunday, the exams are conducted across the year. Previously, the rule was that once you pass the exam, you need to pass the other 3 exams within 18 months. That rule have got changed to 30 months now. For an example, you have passed far in the month of January. From February, say you get your result in February. From February, you have 30 months of time to pass the other 3 papers. In case if you don't clear your other 3 papers, you need to give your exam again. So please be very careful about this. But this period from 18 months have got changed to 30 months now. So that's a good news for us. One more very good news which I want to tell you, which is the significant change which have come in 2026, is your licensing. The CPA licensing previously required 150 credits, now require only 120 credits to sit. Most of the state boards have approved it. This is coming applicable this year, so you don't even need to worry. The CPA exam is becoming much easier now because it will take less period of time. Previously for 150 credit, people used to do 2 bridge course. Now that will not be required from 2026 onwards, so that's a great news for you all. Now, if you're a BCom, you'll become eligible for the CPA exam provided you do the bridge course. Sir, what if I'm a CA intern? Should I still need to do bridge course? No. If you're a CA intern, half CA series, if you're a CA intern, CS intern, CMA intern, you don't need to do any bridge course. So BCom gives you 90, CA intern or CS intern or CMA intern will give you 30 credits, which will make you 120, and you don't need to do any other bridge course. So what if I'm an MBA? No need to do bridge course because MBA, MCom will give you 60 credits and BCom gives 90 plus 60 becomes 150 credit. Okay, so now most important is what is the cost of the CPA exam. So if you see that the CPA training of Samandar is a separate piece. Other than the Samandar training, the overall cost of the CPA exam goes for 3,50,000 rupees. So the cost of the course would cost you around almost 5 lakhs, including all the training, the study material, the revisions and all. So it's easily would get to 4,50,000 to 4,70,000 to 4,80,000. And I'm just taking more rupee depreciation into account. So please consider an investment of 5 lakh rupees. Now at Samandar we have loan options and all and EMI and all. So you can pay all these things in 24 months, right? And our CPA training, if you see that we have Samandar Elite, Samandar Premium and Samandar Basic. Now what are these packages, sir, and why do we have that at Samandar? Because you need to understand that because there are 2-year access, there is 5-year access, then we give AI course for free, we give job ready courses for free. The most important thing, which is very big feature of Samandar and Becker versus others is, first thing is we have the Becker material and the Becker exclusive rights here in India. And Becker is trusted by almost all the top 50 accounting firms in the world. The software is very good. The only software which has videos for simulations. So Becker has a video explanation for sims which none of the software currently in the market has. Along with that, we have our Samandar live classes in your Indian accent, so you don't need to worry. And all our live classes happens on Saturday and Sunday. In fact, we are the only institute which does live classes. Other institute just does recorded and give you all the old recordings. But Samandar, all our courses are updated, and that's one of the reasons we have 6 world toppers. None of the institute in India currently have the world toppers, which is Elijah Watsels Award, typically given to an institute which gets 95.5 out of 99. So student has to score a minimum of 95.5 out of 99 in order to qualify for the Elijah Watsels Award. 6 students have won that from India. All the 6 are from Samandar Education. So that's one of the great news what Samandar has, because we have each and everything. So once you enroll with Samandar, we help you in eligibility, evaluation, licensing. We help you with our live classes, give you the Becker software, Samandar software, have our Telegram study groups where we can answer your question 24/7. Then we give you the study material, the hard copy and the ebook also. And then you have the mock test, MCQs, unlimited practice test, each and everything, whatever is there in this particular product. Now what makes Samandar different is, we have something called as AI Shripal and Neot AI of Becker. Now what is AI Shripal, sir? It is like CPA tutor is in your pocket. So AI Shripal is a WhatsApp tutor. It can answer your questions in seconds, guys. The moment you put a question, you can get immediately an answer. How is it different from ChatGPT, sir? See, in ChatGPT, the answers can be right or wrong. So there is no reliability on your answers, right? But AI Shripal is a trained bot which has passed the CPA exam with 95% accuracy. The moment you put a question, you can get your answers instantly. That's one of the biggest feature of Samandar Education, which none of the institute currently in the world has. And then Becker has a Neot AI. It's not on WhatsApp, but it is there in their software itself. So that is also in the name of their founder. So you have two AIs which are preparing you, and that's why I said you in the beginning of the video that we are making you AI ready CPAs, right? So this is what is about Samandar and Becker, and that is why we are known as the Apple of this industry, because we have produced some huge alumni in CPAs with a huge success rate of 90% and above. That's why our pass percentage is significantly higher. And with our AI Sripal and Neot AI, the pass rate is consistently going up because this AI have solved 1 million questions of the students, and it is answering in seconds, guys. It's more like your personal tutor, your one-to-one mentor, where you can ask any of the questions, you'll get your answers in seconds, guys. So that is one of the great news which we have at Samandar. Most important thing, once you pass this exam, we also have Samandar Student Connect community, where you will be added in our portal, which is alumni portal, where you can get access to jobs, get access to our new courses, CPE courses. You'll get access to a lot of our learning based outcomes, and we are tied up with almost 250 plus companies, and we have placed like thousands of students in Big Fours and US based MNCs. You can check our LinkedIn, our YouTube, on our playlist. I have also done a Brains Behind Billions podcast with top leaders like Big Four, EY, we had State Street Managing Director and all. On our board of advisory also, we have Reliance CFO Rajneesh Jain, we have Adobe CFO Raghuram, we have Amrita from Infosys, and the most important news, guys, we have the ex-president of NASMA, Ken Bishop, on our board of advisory. So you can imagine what kind of ethical conduct Samandar is doing, what kind of value Samandar will bring in the system, and why today Samandar is considered to be the popular choice for the students. But I would want you to test first, take a demo, understand whether our faculties are good or not, because all our faculties are triple qualified. In fact, all our chartered accountants, CPAs like me, I am also one of the smaller faculties. But yes, I am also one of the instructors for CPA. I teach FAR. So we have all our faculties who are all India rankers, CAs, CPAs, like Akshay, Suraj, and all these people, right? The most important thing, once you kind of pass, we place you at minimum of 9 to 10 lakh packages. We have seen our alumni getting placed at 12 to 13 lakhs also in Big Four, but the average salary of a CPA is minimum 9 to 10 lakhs per annum. And this should ensure that you also get jobs in Big Fours and US based MNCs. And one more important point, guys, once you pass a CPA, you can open your own US accounting and tax practice in here in India. A lot of our CPA alumni in Samandar have opened their own practice. You can see Virti Shah, one of our alumni, on LinkedIn, and she have opened her own CPA firm with almost 80 people, guys. So even if you want to become an entrepreneur or open your own practice along after few years of job, you can open that with CPA degree. So what all CPAs is unlocking, getting you a job in Big Fours, opening your own practice. You can go to the US also through our master's STEM route. So we have tied up with almost like 15 plus US universities. Once you pass the CPA exam, you can go to the US also and get a job there. Again, we don't guarantee anything, we don't place much, but we have a master's program which helps you to get a 3-year work visa in the US, which is known as OPT. I know currently the visas are getting rejected and all, but these are all very short-term phenomenon. If you have experience and if you have good, strong communication skills, we help you in cracking the visa interviews and making you visa ready also. So after that, you can still go to the master's program, but normally I recommend that you should have 1 to 2 years of experience before taking that path. So what not, guys, CPA unlocks you so many things, and that's why it is considered to be one of the best qualifications in the world currently in the field of accounting. It is known as Black Belt of Financial Accounting, and that is the reason why it is known as, right? I hope this video is extremely useful for you. In case if you have any of the questions, please do like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more information on CPA course, AI Sripal, how to be AI ready, going to US or Australia or Scotland or any of these countries, or getting a job in India with 10 to 12 lakhs packages in Big Four. I am your go-to person, guys. Thank you so much, and keep watching our channel Samandar Education, changing lives for better.